Hi, my name is Sam. I'm from the University of Oregon studying political science with two minors in sociology and Latinx studies. I'm currently studying here in the city of London at Healthwatch as a specialist project intern. I chose to do my internship in London because of all the diversity here within the city. I thought it was a perfect way to blend in my American culture, but as well kind of see something different. Also, it's a great place to also travel around Europe. I've had so many opportunities to travel to Spain, France, Budapest, so many other different cities. And so it's just a great blend of diverse communities while still maintaining my own American culture and Latin culture as well. My favorite memory in London has to be when I went to Shoreditch, where we met this wonderful Jamaican restaurant and this wonderful owner who gave us free food, free drinks, as well as helped us show around the area of the community of Shoreditch as well. So, really big shout out to him for letting us be part of the community and giving us some good cultural food. I feel like in a professional level, I learned more about community advocacy and learning how to really help people here, whether it be my own culture or people in other communities as well. On a personal level, I also got to learn so much more about myself and how I interact with new cities and new cultures. I feel like I learned so much that I'm very much open to anything, whether that be food, experiences, traveling. I think this is just a great opportunity to learn as an overall human being, but as well as kind of understand the experiences that other people may have that isn't just your own. The staff was really wonderful here. They supported me through every single process. Shout out to our wonderful advisors, Autumn and Peach, who really helped us show around the city and make us feel really included and welcomed. Especially as someone who's never traveled Europe, I was so daunted by the idea of even coming here. But having that support system and that kind of person that will just tell you it's okay and you'll be okay and you'll have a great time was wonderful for me and really made my experience one of a kind.